If you want to check the temperature of your Android phone, there usually isn't a built-in menu that shows the temperature of your phone. But one easy way to do this would be to use a free third-party app. I'll go to the Google Play Store, then navigate to search, and we're going to search for an app called CPUZ. This is basically a hardware monitoring app that can read internal sensor data directly from your device. And it's going to show a variety of info, including temperature readings. So, find it on the Play Store and install the app. When I open the app, it'll show you your phone's processor info first. Things like CPU clock speed, CPU load, all kinds of interesting data. On the top, you can navigate to different tabs, and this app does occasionally show ads, which is slightly annoying. But then again, developers have to make money somehow, right? So, we'll skip the ad and move on. On the Device tab, you'll see the manufacturer, model, screen resolution, that kind of stuff. System shows you your operating system details. And on the Battery tab, you'll see your battery temperature listed right here. There's also a separate Thermal tab that shows temperature readings for different components inside the phone. You'll see some cryptic-looking names here, like LSM6DSV and ICP20100. Those are actually just internal sensor chip names. The first one is the motion sensor, your accelerometer and gyroscope, the thing that detects when you rotate your phone or tracks your steps. The second one is your barometric pressure sensor, mainly used for things like altitude tracking in maps or fitness apps. Both of these chips include their own little temperature reading, mostly just to help them self-calibrate. Not really meant as a primary "how hot is my phone" gauge like the battery sensor is, but still kind of a fun peek into what's going on inside your phone. There's also a Sensors tab, showing more details for those sensors that I just mentioned, but the Thermal tab would be your main focus for checking temperature. As far as what counts as a normal temperature for your phone, under normal, idle use, anywhere between 20 to 35 degrees Celsius, which is about 68 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, would be totally fine. Under heavy usage, if the phone's running a bit warm, you might see numbers around 35 to 43 degrees Celsius, which is about 96 to 109 degrees Fahrenheit. And overheating territory would be anything above 45 degrees Celsius, or about 113 degrees Fahrenheit and higher. If you're seeing numbers like that, I'd unplug the charger, close any heavy apps, remove your phone case, and just let the phone cool down. Anyways, that would be one easy way to check the temperature of your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.